Hey friends, it's Molly. Welcome back to my channel. And it is week 2 of the One Room Challenge. And it is time for a little demo. So we are getting rid of this arch right here. Wish us luck. So it is time to see what is underneath here. Before we get started, I want to let you guys know this is not a load-bearing wall. My husband has already looked into this, so please do not go into your house and start knocking down walls thinking that it's okay to do that. You need to check first before you do anything. And also, eye protection. I'm doing this in my own home. Whatever you do, ear protection. My husband is behind the scenes going, ears. So this is what we're doing for our home. Full disclaimer, please consult a professional before doing anything crazy like this. My husband is a professional, so I'm good. Where else should I hit?
Wherever you choose.
Oh, I found a hole. I found a hole.
I already have a hole so I can inspect it.
Okay, inspect. Oh, I really want to find $1 million in here.
That's not hitting.
What?
That's not hitting.
Well, I was being gentle because I thought you just wanted a hole.
Demolition. You do not.
Okay.
Hey. Okay.
Yeah, you were wearing black.
Did we find any money?
Yeah.
Oh. Come on, big bucks, no whammies.
Hold up.
Is it just empty?
That's empty.
Yes. Empty space. Oh.
Okay, that's a prefab arch. Okay. That tells me what I need to do.
Oh yeah, because you can see it.
Yeah, see it
breaking
flex.
out.
Yeah, see it? You see the edge right there?
Yeah.
Right
Yeah.
here? Okay. That tells me what I need to do.
Okay. Hey friends, so this is week 2 of the One Room Challenge. Sorry, probably shouldn't have thrown a gummy in my mouth right when I started talking. But so Corey's putting up some supports before we can do the framework around. Corey, what are you doing?
Putting the backing in for a box beam?
Corey's putting the backing in for the box beam right now, which is what that noise is. And then once that's done, we can get the box beam finished and then we can start to paint. So that's the plan for week 3. So that's really exciting. A couple of other things that we've done this week. We have gone shopping. And I got a new couch, which was not originally in the plan, but originally I thought I was gonna try to recover my couch, which is very crazy considering I've never recovered a couch in my life. So grateful that when we went to IKEA to look for a couple of other things, I found a great deal on the couch and I love it. So we have a new couch. And it's now I'm actually in our living room right now because construction's happening in the den. So, and then you'll see kind of behind me, right there, We got some pink velvet chairs that are gonna go in the room. And we found, what else did we find from IKEA? Oh, we got a rug from IKEA and we got some curtains. So that's really exciting. Jack, which one do you want? Do you want this? You want this one? Or this? Or do you want this one? You can have one. Right now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your mask fell down. You're being obscene. You're showing your nose. So a lot has happened this week. A lot is coming together and I'm excited. I'm ready to get this room done. So that is it for this week. My house is a construction zone, but it's gonna be worth it in the end. So I've gotta get back in there to help him, but I just wanted to hop on here and tell you guys, here's our progress, and I'll keep you posted. Be sure to follow along on my Instagram. I'm posting some updates on my stories on there. So thank you for joining me. I hope you guys have a wonderful afternoon, and I'll see you next time.